You finally did it. You hired your first employee, they put in a great first week, and now you get to hand them their very first paycheck for the hourly wage you both agreed on. But as they open the envelope, that excitement fades. They look at the check and they are completely confused. You promised them $20 an hour. The math says they should be holding $800, but the number printed on the check is much lower. This confusion comes down to two essential terms: gross pay and net pay. Beyond the daily workflow, the most complex part of hiring is navigating the specific math that separates what you spend from what your team actually receives. Let's slow down and look exactly at where that missing money goes. This glowing block is gross pay, the total untouched amount earned. By law, mandatory slices are removed first for federal and state taxes, then Medicare and Social Security. The remainder is net pay, the actual money that successfully lands in your employee's bank account. Looking at this split screen, you can see your new position. You have the employee on one side, the government on the other, and you are standing directly in the middle. You are now responsible for calculating those tax dollars, holding onto them safely, and delivering them accurately to the IRS. Stepping into the role of an employer legally turns you into a temporary, unpaid tax collector, holding money that isn't yours. If you make a mathematical mistake when pulling those tax dollars out of the gross pay, the IRS will notice. If the government is shortchanged due to bad math, the financial penalties and legal heat fall entirely on you, not the employee. Trying to balance all this math manually on a calculator every single week drains your time and creates immense anxiety. Those fines and wasted hours make running payroll by hand a massive, unnecessary risk to the survival of your business. Thankfully, you can toss that calculator in the trash and use a modern, automated payroll system instead. This computer dashboard shows how a proper system instantly and invisibly calculates the exact difference between gross and net pay, ensuring perfect accuracy for the IRS. With the math guaranteed to be correct, the friction disappears and trust is restored between you and your team. Stop guessing with your business. You can enroll in the free Payroll Magic course inside the Wealth Builders Academy to master these basics. For more information or to schedule a free video call consultation, visit GinoBradley.com. If you have a quick question, send us a text at 813-462-2758. Adopting the right tools protects your team and your peace of mind, freeing you up to focus on growing your dream.